Hi, this is Chris at the Wandering Bull. In front of me today are a series of clubs, ball clubs, and gunstock clubs. So the clubs that come to us, they're roughed out. They needed to be sanded just to get rid of some of those tooling marks for them manufacturing the club and making it nice and smooth. End result is we want a nice finished product. So my club is sanded. We're obviously outside because I have a torch. I'm going to basically burn the club, turn it black, and then I'll sand the black off and we'll see what it looks like in the end. So I have in front of me a broken file. So it has the little ridges in it from the manufacturing. So what we're going to do is heat this guy up and burn it onto the club. You see a lot of plains material where they've heated a file, some clubs, tomahawk handles, pipe stems. We want to get this nice and hot. And the coarser the file that you use, the pattern will be very different. So I'm going to heat just the end up. I can see the end of that file kind of changing color. It's getting a little brighter now. Well, see, it's kind of turning red. That's what we're looking for. But that heat will transfer it down the file to my hand, so we're going to move quickly once this gets going. And we're going to roll the file around the handle, opposed to dragging it, because we want that impression left from the file burnt onto the handle. That file's cooling off quickly. So I'm going to sand that smooth. I'm going to put the file on that hot plate there. So it's got that textured finish. It could work in that area a little more. And same thing, give this end a sand. I knew I'd probably oil this guy up, put some mineral oil. So it gives it a different look opposed to just painting it. Nothing gonna be hot enough. My file is cooling off a little bit. I'm going to use this food grade mineral oil. That's what I have. And we'll see what kind of sheen that puts on. I'm going to put some in this tray here. I'm going to flip it over and we'll see what the other side looks like that's not done. See, so there's a big difference with that mineral oil. And you can apply more over time. This wood is a little darker. I think this is cherry. We'll see what the mineral oil does to the cherry. Look at that, brings out that color nicely. And yet the file burning on this one worked out nicely. Didn't take much oil. I'm using a paper towel to rub it in. And then over time that wood will absorb it and you may want to put another coat on it. Boy, that darkened up nicely. Nice finish. Very much different than the poplar. This is the poplar, and this is the cherry. Visit thewanderingbull.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, certainly give us a call at 1-800-430-2855. Thanks for watching.